Penguin George. Welcome to Georgie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some creamy seafood with spinach noodles. Let's cover the ingredients. Yummy. Some hot fish. They're marinated overnight. We have some onion. We've got 2 pieces of spring onion. We got a slice of butter. We got some cilantro. We got 2 peppers, cut in half, and 1 orange pepper, cut in half too. We have a pan of creamy mushroom. We have some butter. We have oil. We have salt. And finally, we have minced garlic. Let's start. First, we got to bake the bell pepper. First, we add the bell pepper onto the baking sheet. Next, we add some olive oil onto the pepper. We set the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. We bake for about 20 minutes. We cut the onion into long, thin layers. I always put my safety goggles on, so I don't get to cry. The onions will make me cry. We cut the spring onion. Cilantro cut. We boil the spinach noodles. First, we start on boiling water. It's hot. Be careful. Next, we add in the spinach noodles. There. We get all the spinach oil noodles on the bowl. First, let's fry it. First, we add in the olive oil. We add in the slice of butter we have got. We melt the butter. We add in 2 big scoops of minced garlic. One and 2. Now we can add our big prawns. Wow! Look at the big prawn. We give a stir. Now we add in the codfish. We add in the creamy mushroom in one blob. Just now, we add in some milk. Okay, let's get it out. It's very hot. We remove the skin of the bell pepper now. Now, all the bell pepper skin has been removed. We cut them into shreds. We add the onion into the sauce. There. We give a stir. Bell peppers add. We add in the Spanish noodles. We add in the spring onion and cilantro into the pot. Let's serve. Yummy! It's very nice. For watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching.